Welcome to Family Product Reviews. If you are new here, support us by subscribing. Today we will be reviewing the Electrolyte supplement for rapid hydration. No calories, no sugar, 20 more potassium, magnesium, zinc, keto, flu-like cramp relief, 48 servings. It changes the taste a little bit, almost making it kind of taste like a mineral water. In TB12, Tom Brady says it is better to drink it with electrolytes, and he has a similar arrangement. This one seems fine, but again haven't had long to try it before being harassed. They make anything you put it in taste horrible. Especially water, tastes like you're drinking salt water. Slight taste, like it makes the water taste more like smart water, which makes sense since that water has electrolytes in it. It has very little taste when in water, and you can mix an individual portion, or a large container. This product tastes like minerals and salt, so don't over add it to your water, or it might taste too salty. This flavor is really nice. It doesn't taste bitter or sour like in others brands, something in the middle, soft, and palatability. When he adds the product, he is finding water to be much more satisfying to drink. Also amazing hangover cure. Woke up with a raging headache, but after drinking some the headache ceased within an hour. It tastes a little salty, but you don't need it more than once or twice every other day. Unbelievable. The taste really isn't bad, and can be covered with a squirt of lemon if needed. Who knew what help such a simple addition could make? And the great thing is it isn't loaded with sugar like many electrolytes. You'll have to play around with the dosage, but eventually you'll realize what works for you. Great for keeping electrolytes available to your body without the high sugar and calories of most sports drinks. Electrolytes are so essential, in fact, that they can help you stay alive during times when you do not have access to any food. Fantastic ingredients without any added sweetener. It's so tiring to be inundated with great products that suffer from added sugar, stevia, etc. Best stuff ever for keto or fasting. Convenient, and works fast when you're feeling wonky. Easy to add to coffee, or water, or tea for those added electrolytes required with a ketogenic diet. Needed something sugar-free, and fake sugar-free instead of bottled drinks from a store. It has a slight pleasant salty taste that is easy on the tongue, and goes with everything. Keto Bikram yoga, and hot Pilates, both of which make you sweat a lot. Read the description for this product, and decided it was worth trying. This is the only product of this type that I've found that isn't loaded with sodium. A little disappointed that it doesn't seem to be available in a 3-pack like the regular formula, so no quantity cost savings. Highlight has been a great product, a way for me to stay hydrated without drinking syrupy sports drinks. If you are looking for hydration recovery, this is your product, and flavor is not important, this is your product. Tastes a little salty if you put too much in plain water, really need to cover it up with flavor. Also, unlike the flavored water enhancers with electrolytes, this one does not include any sugars, natural, or artificial, or coloring. This product makes it easy to prep our water bottles for a morning of swimming on sandcastles. For the third time ordering these, all 3 bottles, and the inside of the envelope are completely covered in salt crystals. However, if the taste really bothers you, you can definitely add Mio, or another flavoring to your water to mask it. Returned this, and went back to Lightsha, which has a much more pleasant lemon lime taste. This is a great product for anyone on a ketogenic protocol, or needing extra hydration. The solution is to wrap the cap thread with plumber's pipe thread tape to seal it. It does have a taste to it like sea salt, although it's low sodium, or more like seaweed if you taste it bland, or alone. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to subscribe, and leave your comments below.